It was a so strong signal, I thought it was a foil, but it's not. It's very unusual find and first find today. Someone lost their glasses this summer. Hello my friends, let's go hunting. And here the next find. I wonder what this key opens. So, let's shoot cats for trends and throw out the trash. And moving on. Deeper in the woods, the signal's going a little better. And I found something round. I thought it was a button or a coin, but it was a big bald cap or something. By the way, it's a pretty interesting place. There was the Lord's Yard over there. People have lived here for 100 years, so you can find anything, even gold. All I've found so far is hawthorn. There are a lot of iron signals, and I'm starting to think that there was a foundation here. So I'll detect along that edge. I managed to go only in 2 days, and then at night. But the place promises to be interesting. Yeah guys, that's a secret place that nobody knows about.
Haha.
I found a lot of silver here in half an hour last time. So there is hope. And I already have a find. That's the pit and that's the signal right over there. Do you hear how good the signal is? It could be something interesting, but I don't know yet. Maybe it's an aluminum as usual.
Oh,
No, it's not an aluminum. Do you see this edge? Oh, it's a coin, my friends. It's a coin with a good copper signal. Oh, it's an empire. Wow. Yeah, this is a 3 kopecks of the Russian Empire. It's a little bit dirty, but nice. This is an empire. I can't recognize the year. After a minute, Deus shows me another signal. A yellow coin Soviet. I've noticed some bricks here, so the place is not casual. 3 kopecks of 1931. It's not rare, but it's a coin. Well, that signal was much better. However, it was deeper. Look, what is it? Hehe.
oh yes. Yes.
It's a silver, my friends, the 10 kopecks. Wow. I think it's in 1923, yes. The ice is broken, friends. Our silver is here. But for this find, we had to dig deep. And look what we got. Oh yes, it's a coin, but what is it? Whoa guys, look what we find. Oh, the signal was so strong. Oh, this is part of horse harness. Look how it's beautiful. It's pity it's not intact, but it's amazing. Wow, guys, do you see this yellow edge? Almost a gold. It's so gold. The fake gold of the Communist Party. 2 copies of 1937. Wow, a pretty good condition, my friends. That year was the worst in USSR history. Cars keep driving by, and I keep counting. This is the next find. Oh, the signal was so, or is. Oh, this is 20 copies of the USSR 1931, perhaps, yeah? People on the bus don't realize I'm digging next to the highway. Alright guys, I've got a good signal. Somewhere here. Hmm? Yeah, I think it needs to be checked out. Aha. Ah, yes. Got it. Hmm. Oh, that's it. That's it, my friends. 15. 15 copies of 19
Hey!
of 1915. Oh, wow. This is not rare year, but look what condition. It's a almost extra fine condition. Wow. Hey, the second silver.
Класс.
Hey friends, what do you say to this? You see? Wow, the next silver. This is a 10 copies of 1910th. Wow. Whoa. Was 15 of 15th, and now I got a 10 of 10th. Wow, 10 copies, but my friends, it's a pleasure. It's a real pleasure. I'm lucky tonight. This time it's a copper, my friends. Oh, oh, someone bit off a piece of a coin. Oh no, it's a 3 copies, wow, of 1896. Well, good year, but it's a pity it's broken coin, but it's a coin anyway. The next find is a red Soviet 20. Not very good condition, but for Melchior is not very bad. Well, this signal was much better. It's a copper. Yeah, it seems a one copper, but yes, vampire. Oh, 1914. Yeah. Friends, I really don't have time to dig up coins. I got a new signal. That's the edge. Oh, it's a 5. Wow, 5 kopecks. Oh, fine condition. 5 kopecks of 1930. It's not rare, but it's a pleasure. I love fives. This time, from the deep hole I got this. Wow, I thought it was ammo cartridge, but no, yes, but it's too big. Oh yeah, wow, it's unfired. Yes, it's unfired, but I see no bullet. What is? I don't really recognize. Do you see this? Huh? Do you see this, my friends? I've got the next silver. Oh, it's of another type. What is a Soviet 10 kopecks? 1927. Tonight is my silver discovery night. The signal from the 5 kopecks is so strong that I'm just sure no one has ever dug in this place before. Wow, at the 5 kopecks of oh yes, 1930 again. Wow. It's a good thing there is not a lot of grass around here, or it would be hard to dig. Oh, it seems I've got a new 5. So, oh, how it shines. Oh, oh, 35? It's a 1935 year. Wow! Oh, my friends! Whoa, it's a 5. It's a rare. Yeah, with an old coat of arms. Wow! It's a rare coin of USSR. My gosh! Wow!
Oh,
This is something I didn't expect to find. I think for everyone a find like this would be nice. Wow! That's why you have to treasure hunt at night. Oh, it's getting colder. It's starting to snow wet, friends. So I have to hurry to find more. The signal is good, my friends. Those said me that it's a copper, but I need to check it out. What it can be. It's here. Oh, I see something green. It's a copper. Oh, my friends, it's not a coin. Oh, it's a piece of copper. Oh, my friends, I thought it was the same piece of copper, but this time it's a coin. Oh, it's a 2 kopecks and all 2 kopecks of USSR. Wow, a nice coin of 1924. Alright guys, do you think it's a good result? Oh, how it's for you? Oh my god, 4 silvers. it's just for 4 hours of treasure hunting, yeah, and one rare 5 copics. Wow, friends, I'm satisfied. Okay, we got 19 copics. What do you think about this result? Please write your opinion in comments. For silver cert ones, it's not so often. This is a lead seal. I think it may be something old and interesting. I think there are not bad finds, aren't? But just look for the condition of this coin. My god. I think it's like an extra fine condition, don't you think? I thought it would be a Soviet search, but I also found some Russian Empire coins as well. However, it was the Soviet coin that turned out to be the rarest. Look how fine in condition it's in. For a coin dug out of the ground, the condition is excellent, which is especially gratifying considering the rarity of this coin. Your support is extremely important for my channel and for the quality of the videos I produce. I'm very grateful for any kind of support, from simple likes and comments and helping solve riddles to sponsorship on Patreon or directly on YouTube. Thank you!